can generate a utils JWT token in chat app or with the help of this library files. So what we'll do, we'll create a file under library folder in utils.js. Okay, and in that file we will create an a JWT token. So for creating the JWT token, we will have to import those file JSON from JSON web token which we have created. So let's go to the Visual Studio Code and understand it in a better way. Okay, so this is my library folder. Here I have created a utils.js file, and now I will create a import file which is import. I'll import the package which is JWT from JSON Web Token. Now JSON Web Token, if you search here, we have already created it. And when you search on the left hand side, you will see that we have also used in package in .json file. Okay. So now what will do, next step we would be calling the token from .env files and setting an expiry of 7 days. So here we have created an export constant option and creating a variable generate token. We have created this using the user ID and setting the response variable. Now after that after assigning the token to that user ID, we have created a sign in method, which is a sign in. You can see here that this will synchronously sign in the payload into a JSON web token string payload to sign in. Okay, so thereby it will be generating a secret key which is based on the algorithm hash algorithm. Now we would want that the JWT secret which is created in our env file here, my secret key, this would be having the session or time period of say 1 day, 2 day, or 7 days. So we have it will expire in 7 days. Okay, now after that what we will do, we will set up that expiry token and we will store those token values in the form of cookies as shown above. So how we have stored, we have called the response method as we have called the response.cookie and setting the JWT token with the maximum age of say 7 days. So this we have calculated the 7 days part, and these are some security parameters so that it would be accessible only to HTTP only. Now after that it would be providing the access attack, and also it would be strictly preventing the CSRF cross-site scripting attack. And also for the security purpose we have set the env variable. So now what we have done, we have set the secret key in .env file as JWT secret, which we have already shown, and we have made the environment as development. Okay. Now after that it will return the code. Now we will call the generate token method in auth.controller.js in order to replicate it in a better way. So as we have created in the auth controller file, we will go here and we will, if the new user exists, now we will call directly that method, this generate token method. Okay, so we'll directly call here the generate token method, and the rest of the thing we will see in the next video. So I hope this would be very helpful to you, that because we have set up the node environment variable to be the development, and if it is not the development, then it would be equal to, then it will return this token and setting the expiry of 7 days. So in the next video, we will take how we can generate the token. We can throw new users or push new users into the system, and in our auth controller, which will be responsible for managing the authentication. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching.